I could be so much. Oh, hi guys. This is a movie about playing with memories. Alright, this is my room. This is my backyard out here. That's the hot tub. I don't know why I can stand on it. Alright, going back to my house. This used to be my husband's house with me, but he died 3 weeks ago. This is my piano. These are the old trees when I was a little girl. When I was young. These are my friends and stuff. Okay, this is the bathroom. This is my bed. And my husband and I usually sleep. This used to be me and him when we were married. Okay. This is my outside backyard. I don't know where else to go. I need to remember how I married my husband and how he died. But I don't need to. You have to. But I don't. Remember! At least I can remember. Remembering. Alright, now she's passed out. I need to go downstairs so I can do this. This is what she used to look like when she was young. Alright, Clarine's memories. She had blonde hair. It's kind of blonde, that's right. Hold on, let me make the costume. Okay, now I gotta go. This is when I was a little girl. Dude. I was in the backyard. I wasn't in the backyard out there. That was just a playground before. Now after, I set my home here to remember stuff. Woohoo! Down. Whose house is this? I better get out of here. This may be the backyard. Alright, Andy, yeah. Hi. What's your name? My name is Clarina. What's yours? Oh. is Butterscotch. Oh, hey, Butterscotch. Hey. Let's take a picture. Yeah, we should do that. Here, I'll take it. There. Come on, Clarina. Let's go. Okay. Whose house is it? I don't know, but we better run! Come on, Clarina. Okay. We'll be in big trouble if they find out we're here. Come on. Clarina, I'm coming. This is a park. Yeah. Sandbox. Okay, I'm gonna dig the sand. Good, Clarina. There. My name's not Clarina. Oh, I'm Clarina. Yeah. I'm gonna go down. You found the water, didn't you? Uh-huh.